Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, February 21st, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm sorry I'm getting this out really late today. Um, I probably a number of reasons for this. The main thing is I just didn't want to do this video today. We probably had the worst trading day that we have had in months today. We just really got hammered pretty bad, and it's always hard to do these when that happens. And on top of this, I've just been really busy with a lot of things. Anyway, no, we did not have a good day today. You can see here on the Dow chart what happened. The Dow opened up and it was positive most of the day. It was really up, oh, I don't know. It was up at least a couple hundred points up here. And then it completely failed and ended up closing almost on its low down here, down 167 points. So I'm just eyeballing this. It looks to me like it had a range of over 400 points today. That's a pretty big range. And of course, the pattern here is horrible. It's up for 3/4 of the day. And of course, it gets us into a bunch of crap. And then it all goes to hell here in the last 2 hours of the day. So, how does this here's the thing. Yesterday the market was down big time, and today the market ends up down again big time. And both these days, interestingly enough, we got into 12 positions. That's quite a few positions to get into when the market is not positive. And that's what's really killed us the last 2, 3 days. We've really got hammered. And what happened today was these stocks that we'd gotten into yesterday, we got hammered in those. We got out with negative $13,000. That's just a tiny improvement over what we were holding in open trade equity on the close yesterday. But then we get into 12 new positions today, and all of those are negative, and we're holding negative $15,000 going into tomorrow. So we close out negative 13 and we get into 12 new ones. All are negative and totaling over $15,000. That, folks, is a very bad day. And, we just have, there's a lot of sellers in this market. I think we're in a corrective phase here. It's not a bear market, but we're definitely in correction territory here, and it's hard to trade. Now, I think if I totaled up my statistics for February, we're probably still better than break even. But and in some ways, that's very good considering what has happened to this market in February. But that's just hollow consolation after 2 days like we've had when everything is just blood red. I mean, it's so discouraging to try and wipe the blood off, get up the next day, and go in there and keep trading. We got to do that. If you're going to be a trader, you got to be able to do that, because things can turn around all of a sudden, and you may get one day that just brings everything back into the black. It's happened to us actually a couple times this month. We actually have had a couple just great days this month, but we've sure had a lot of negative stuff, and we really got it today. I have nothing I want to show you. It's all ugly, so I'm not going to show you anything. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.